Okay. I'm going to jump into some marketing resources. Since we're talking about a listing presentation, we do have some resources that I can show you for that before going into the rest of the presentation here. So we've got this site. Where is it here? Okay. Spotlight.century21.ca slash marketing material. It was up here. I believe it's getting recorded, so hopefully you'll be able to see this. And you can always call us if you don't have access to this link here. It's kind of hidden, so don't expect to be able to go to spotlight.century21.ca and find this marketing material resource. We don't really want clients coming across it because it's got information which is more realtor focused. So that's why we kind of hide this link. But when you go to it, there's several things you'll find here that I want to highlight. Uh, well, two things in particular. There's some information here like client handouts and such. But one of the most important things is this online presentation, sample listing presentation slides with talking points. So if you click on that, it'll open up this. A lot of these slides, if you see here on the left, are ones that I've already shown you today, or very similar ones. And the idea is you can take any of these, you can download them, and you can slot them into your own presentations. You can download them in PowerPoint presentation format, which you can upload into your own Google Slides or PowerPoint, however you use your listing presentations. One thing I do want to note, though, you can't edit this master copy. When you go to the link there, it's the master copy. You can't edit it because it would edit it for everybody. That's the way that Google Docs works. You have to download your own copy and make your local changes. Just so you know, because almost every time after I do one of these presentations, I'll get like request access from like 20 different people. So hopefully I'll only get 10 people this time trying to do that. Anyways, so there's a whole bunch of slides here. The great thing is too, we've got talking points for each of them as well. So you'll notice that there's talking points down the bottom here. I can pull those up so you can see more of it. Some are more fleshed out talking points than others, depending on how much stuff there's to talk about on the slide. The idea here is we want to make sure that you're knowledgeable about what the slides are, not just to see the slide there. You want to have a few things to talk about to go along with the slide. There's also some marketing stats and everything here, which we're in the process of updating, but they just show the general trend, which is, yeah, okay, we sell your listing faster for more money, etc. Gives you some hard numbers to show to your client in listing presentation. And I don't expect you to use all of these slides by any stretch, but you might just want to use one or two, right? It's completely up to you. You can take them out. This is the popular one I mentioned before too, this online advertising slide, or you can just take the information from it and put it into your own slides as well. It's completely up to you, but it's a great resource to use. The other thing I wanted to point out on this marketing material webpage is down at the bottom. Let's say you don't have a currently active Spotlight listing or you've never used it before, but you still want to show your client the Spotlight package in a listing presentation. Well, you can do that. This will create you a sample listing webpage with your branding on it. Just put in your board ID, and which marketing package you want to show, because you might not be providing videography, so you might want to do the standard one, or maybe you're doing aerial photography and want to show off that, or maybe you want to show off an interactive tour like a Matterport tour. You can pick which one you want to do, and it'll give you this link down here, and you click on that link. I put in Aaron's TREB number, he probably recognizes it there, and it'll pop up with one that is branded by you. In this case, there's Aaron. This isn't actually his listing. This is obviously just a sample listing. So it would show all your stuff there. And if it doesn't, just let us know. Maybe we don't have your TREB number in properly, or maybe we don't have all your information in too. So we can set up your profile, get all your information there so it looks nice and professional. So you can show your prospective clients a sample listing of what you're going to do, and they can click around on it.